Hello everyone, it's Dr. Brace here for Facial Plastics Friday, and today I wanted to talk about fellowship and what is fellowship training and why do we do it and what's the big deal. And so in Canada, we actually don't have a board for facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. That's under the auspices of the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons in otolaryngology, head and neck surgery, or in plastic and reconstructive surgery. But in the US, there's actually a whole board, the American Board of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, and they board certify, much like a Royal College, surgeons that want to focus their practice on facial cosmetic and reconstructive surgery. So that would involve facelifts and eyelid surgery and rhinoplasties and skin resurfacing and neuromodulators, fillers, facial trauma reconstruction, facial cancer reconstruction, all things related to the face. Why is that important? A fellowship gives a surgeon an entire year of training dedicated to facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. And so that's all you're doing all year. So my fellowship was done at the Ohio State University with Dr. Steve Smith and Dr. Mike Sullivan. I spent that year doing cosmetic and reconstructive surgery and focusing entirely on that. In our 5 years of residency, we do get 6 months to a year and a half focused on that specialty, but it's broken up and it's spread out through the 5 years. So this really gives you a dedicated entire year focus on doing that. And so why is that important? At the end of that year, you have a really great knowledge base, really greatly enhanced skill set for doing that kind of surgery. And the board then examines all of the fellows who want to be board certified. So then you have to do an entire day written exam, a board exam, and you have to do a second oral exam, much like the exams that happen with the Royal College here in Canada. So at the end of it, if you've passed your oral boards and you've passed your written boards, and you have to submit a case log of 2 years worth of surgery that get reviewed, if you pass all those things, then you get your board certification. You become a diplomat of the American Board of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. They also have an offshoot, which is the International Board of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, and those doctors would come from all around the world and they would write the same exam, kind of go through the same process, be able to say to patients that they are board certified. They have passed their tests, they have done the work, they are experts in the field of facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. So that's why board certification matters. If you're looking for a surgeon who's really spent time, dedicated time in their training to really becoming an expert in this, that's proof of the fact that they've done that work. And so why do I bring this up? I'm excited to announce that I've been thinking about becoming a fellowship director for a while now, and the timing seemed to be right. We had enough volume. We now have the space here at Guelph Facial Plastics and Guelph Surgical Suites. And so I have submitted an application to have a fellowship in facial plastic and reconstructive surgery accredited through the American Board of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery and also through the University of Toronto. So it's been given the green light by the University of Toronto. It's up on their website now under their fellowships in the otolaryngology head and neck surgery division. And I'm awaiting on accreditation from the American Board, which will happen in the fall when it gets reviewed. And so it's an announcement today that as of July 1st, 2026, we will have our very first fellow, and the fellow has been picked already. It's Dr. Karan Gandhi from University of Western Ontario, and he's finishing up his head and neck surgery residency. He's going to come and spend a year with us here. We're very excited to have him here. He was here with us for an elective not that long ago, and we really enjoyed his work ethic and his camaraderie and his professionalism and his surgical skills. So he's somebody to watch out for. 1 year from now, he'll be with us for an entire year. And so that's what fellowship training is. Fellowship training is coming here to Guelph Facial Plastics, and we're excited to have Dr. Gandhi join us. Thanks, everyone.